My name is Emma Meow, and I am a 15-year-old poet from Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. Writing ekphrastic poetry, or poetry inspired by art, allows me to create half-imagined, half-concrete spaces where I can explore important cultural and societal issues. This poem in particular was inspired by Bob Ross's painting, Winter Mountain Lake. Like the painting, my poem features mystical images. I wanted to explore how social pressures at gatherings can blur the boundaries between safe and unsafe for many women. I want to thank the Poetry Society UK for giving this poem and me a platform and for inspiring so many young people to write. The lake is enough to blind you. It is an old story. Girls perched on banks, shedding masks onto the moonlit pebbles. They are giggling, brushing white flecks off their noses. The myth tells them to drag fingers into the lake, lick the ripple, splash dirty off their misshaven legs. Mother warned of wolves nuzzling by their feet. But water makes them submissive. Let the dragonflies and stained reeds whisper things that never happened. Let the rolling waves smooth their palms, half cast and forgotten by the bayside. They wade into the shallows, black manes haloing their bodies. A mist settles, their crested reflections blur into mosaics. Remember hands pressing into waists. Remember sighs dancing on lips. When the fog lifts, the girls are gone.